I'm hiking to every waterfall in California part 3, but this one I have to hike 4 miles in the scorching heat and there's no shade. Stay till the end to find out where this spot is. Now as I hiked I realized I didn't bring much water, but knowing I was going to see 3 waterfalls made it worth it. Now depending on the time or year you go, the waterfall would be more full. Apparently I came at the wrong time though, but it was deep enough to jump in. This group is giving me mixed signals about how cold the water really is.
Scale of 1 to 10, how cold was it? He said 10, he said 8, he said 3.
I decided to try it out myself. I give it a 7 out of 10 in coldness. Nothing like a dance battle while hiking. I decided to huck a backflip for the camera. Who knew Olympic diving was in my blood? By the way, we bring strangers on these hikes, so comment below to come. This is Three Sister Falls.